Business Central version 23, new and newish features. So this is a brand new feature. It's called Search Company Data. There it is. And what it allows me to do is to type a phrase in the input box and have the system search the entire database for instances of that phrase. So let's say this is an item which I have created. And here it is. It has found it on a purchase order and it has found an item. So if I click on there, it will take me into the item card. Excellent. If I click over here, it's going to take me into sales orders. Good. And into purchase orders. So let's find something that has a little bit more information. Let's try a customer, and I'm going to just type Canon. There it is. So it's found a whole bunch of customer ledger entries. Now, if I click on that line, it will take me in to the customer ledger entry table, to the specific transaction. You can see here that it is only showing me the first three, but there is actually a lot of data here. So if I click on there, it will give me all the information for this particular customer. There is my customer master. And here I've got a bunch of posted sales invoices. Again, it's only showing me the first three, and I can click there to show all of them. And it's got some sales orders. Obviously, we don't have purchases. Okay, so that's quite nice. Then what I can also do, I can click here on Show Tables to Search. And this allows me then to change my selection. So here you can see that this is set to the business manager role. If I go and I change that, let's say the manufacturing manager, now it is giving me a different set of tables. So these are the tables which a manufacturing person would obviously be interested in. So production orders, assembly orders, and so on. But what I can do, let me go back to my own role, business manager. I click here on show all tables. I then get a list of everything available in the system, and I could potentially go and select other entries. I'm trying to think what would make sense. Perhaps the purchase receipts and the sales shipments. Perhaps the item vendor. Okay, let's try that. Let's go to an item that I know I will have more data on. Let's try chair. Right, so I found a bunch of items that contain the word chair, some sales order lines, some purchase order lines. That is a very nice feature. The only thing that remains to be seen is how this will perform once the database gets a lot more data in it. And another problem that I see at the moment, according to the Microsoft help, there should be an option here on my action bar to select that option. It's not there. So perhaps that's still coming, or perhaps I've missed a setup. And yeah, I guess that's about it. Let's see how it works and let's try it out. Have fun with it. Cheers.